Yeah, the cosmos inside of me. The cosmos inside of me. Talking about unity. Talking about healing these communities. All about inceptions of galactic paradise is what I see in your eyes. Your own transition, transformation, inner activation. Seeing what is real daily in this life form. Life beyond the norm of duality, beyond what you see in 3D. A new existence, a new experience, out into the cosmic Everglades. A new transformed path, real commandership, Commander Ashtar at last. Galactic Federation of Light, still shining super bright through the cosmos at nighttime. And what you see in the stars, nighttime. Star filled in your eyes. All I see in your eyes is a new system, interconnection, inner inception, inner direction, prosperity and peace. Release now on this current dimension. All about activating your DNA. On this current dimension, all about activating your DNA. On this current dimension, all about activating your DNA. To show you the sheer way of consistency. Connected from the surface of Earth, a new rebirth in these systems, inner visions, inner commission, back into the space and vision, outer space realities, what you see in more unity, connected infinitely, the heavenly glory, the cosmos exists inside of your eyes, inside of my own. In our rise into eternal states of a smooth, warm embrace into the cosmos we exist and forever. Inside of you I see more oneness. I see the essence of life exist as a direct reflective nature. Inner creations, inner creativity is what I see in you, in me, in the connection that exists into the cosmic bliss. The heavenly existence of your soul exists. Here now, patient as we rise together. What I see together is a new system where we are together forever. All in unity, all in global communities, cosmic unities, galactic communities. And what I see more in the unification spread abundantly out to the cosmic heavenly shining essence that you are as a super shining star. Out into the oneness frequency as it's begun. New systems that are one, yeah, as it's begun. New systems that are one, as it's begun. New systems that are one. The oneness, the wholeness inside of me connects inside of you into infinity, into the divine energy pulsating from my soulful vibrancy. 2016. Freestyle with you, yeah.